my friends, welcome to FishCon's channel for enjoying interesting fishing video. Here our fisher is going for puddle fishing with his unique fish trap and he is very confident to get lots of shrimp fish from this rice field. Actually, the fish trap is very common, but I like his fishing style. I mean pulling. Let's enjoy this unique fishing style. Guys, first trip is done and now it's time to enjoy the fish collection process. By the way, if you are a new visitor here, just subscribe our channel. We upload unique and interesting fishing videos in every day. Friends, I am so excited to see the result. By the way, this is not the first trip for the fisher since he made already a couple of trips. Oh, guys, fisher got lots of shrimp fishes and I see a couple of local fishes. Yes guys, here is the collection of first trip and frankly I am quite satisfied. Yes I am. And now fisher is collecting live shrimp fishes. Yes guys. Oh, I really like this scenario. I mean green scenario. I have never seen this kind of scenario before. Yes guys, greenish scenario with lots of local live fishes. Really amazing. I hope you are enjoying too guys. If yes, just subscribe our channel and like this video please. Yes guys, there is an eelfish. So first trip was really awesome. So it's time to second trip and our fisher is ready and he's searching for an appropriate place. Yes guys, he's trying hard to manage an appropriate place for fishing. Yes guys, Fisher is going for his second trip. Well done Fisher, I hope you will get more and more like fishes from this second trip. Yes guys, he's managing his fish trip. Yes, our Fisher already started his second trip. Friends, our Fisher covers such a long area with this fishing style, I mean pulling, and he is doing the same job. Yes, he is a very friendly person. You see, he is smiling to me. Yes, Fisher, you are going to make more fishes from the second trap. So, keep it up. Friends, here is the result of second trip. Let's see what Fisher managed actually. To be honest, Fisher got huge garbages rather than live fishes. Whatever. Now it's time to remove the garbage and collect the local fish only. Friends, Fisher got lots of shrimp fishes, but there is nothing like local fish as like the previous one. Yes, he's removing the garbage and collecting the shrimp fishes into his fishing bag. Friends, have you ever seen this fishing style before? Just comment below. Friends, there was the unique fishing trap in the rice field. If you wanna enjoy more similar fishing style, just comment below. I'm always here for you. Yes guys, I upload interesting and unique fishing videos for you. So stay with Fishcorn and stay with fish and fishing. Thanks again guys for enjoying this fishing video. Have a good day to you all.